In this video, we will show you how to create a thoughtful gift using the PaintStitch fill type. What if you could offer flowers that last forever? We'll take a simple bouquet image and turn it into a photorealistic embroidery design using the patented PaintStitch tool, and then add a creative twist using the trim option to form a negative space with the word love. Let's see how to create this design in a few simple steps. Create a new file, then click the From File icon in the top toolbar. In the browser dialog that appears, locate the picture you want to use and press Open. Choose a PNG image of a flower bouquet with a transparent background. This helps us focus only on the flowers and avoid unwanted stitching areas. When importing a bitmap image, the software will prompt you to choose how to handle it. Select Open as PaintStitch as the conversion type of choice. Make sure the DPI value is set to at least 300 for optimum results. Click OK to import. The software supports PNG files with transparency and will only generate stitches in the non-transparent area of the image. This ensures that the finished product has clean lines and avoids unnecessary stitching. By default, the imported image is framed into a rectangular area. When working with PNG files that include transparency, there is an extra option on the Convert menu. That is, to convert transparency into clipping region to automatically clip out the transparent areas. Use the node editor to adjust the outline if needed and remove any unwanted stitches. Switch to selection mode to check the design size. Since I want to place the finished design in a specific picture frame, I'll set the width to 180 mm. In the toolbar, keep Proportional enabled and enter 180 mm for the width. Finally, center the design to the hoop. Let's adjust the PaintStitch properties. Choose your preferred thread palette. The design is currently set to 15 colors, but since several shades are unnecessarily similar, I'll reduce the number of colors to 10 to make the embroidery process easier while maintaining a good level of detail. You can experiment with these settings and view the updates instantly on the workspace until you reach the result that best suits your design. For this design, I'll increase the contrast 5 to make the colors more vibrant and leave the rest as is. Now, start the lettering tool to type the word love in capital letters. Use font XPG 44 and font size 60. Switch to selection mode and center the text by setting both X and Y to 0. Slightly adjust the proportions, disable proportional, and set the height to 55 mm to make lettering more prominent. Now, keep the lettering selected, and while holding the Shift key down, select the flower bouquet as well. From the Shaping menu, select Trim. This will cut the word out of the design, creating a clean negative space effect in the shape of the word love. Delete the lettering as we don't need it anymore. The design is ready. Before moving to the embroidery part, use the fabric selection dialog box to choose a background color that complements your design. Send the design to the machine and gather the materials. For this project, you will need a hoop, fabric, iron-on stabilizer, assorted threads, and a frame for display. Apply the stabilizer to the back of your fabric to keep it firm. Since PaintStitch creates dense stitching, adding an extra layer of stabilizer would be a good idea. Start embroidering and change thread colors according to the design. Continue until the design is complete. Once finished, remove the design from the hoop and place it into the frame, making sure the design is centered. That's it! A bouquet of flowers that lasts, made entirely your way. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to come back for more projects, tips and ideas.